Maverick spent an entire morning trying to explain to the radio audience on the Hits 92 FM's Sports Explosion the genius of batting stylist extraordinaire Brian Charles Lara. But guess what? The degree and extent of Lara's elegance are much better conveyed in visuals. This is Lara at 50 years old, playing in a recent exhibition game in Australia. And don't watch the fact that this was a Curry Goat fundraiser. Brian Lara's class and elegance are constant regardless of the standard of the bowling. The execution of these classic strokes was not representative of a long-gone retiree. They appeared to be vintage Lara in his element. The crispness of the shots was unbecoming of a mere mortal who walked away from the game some 13 years ago. The respect and adulation that Brian Lara continued to enjoy across the world of cricket are but indices of his greatness. It's a level of greatness that goes beyond the centuries and the world records and the averages. It's about the reverence that Lara demands by an aesthetic brilliance that sets him apart. Logically, the only explanation, the only justification, the things that cannot be replicated or removed from the record books, the things that best separate him from his peers were his style and his elegance. And these are the things that make Brian Charles Lara the greatest man to have ever picked up a cricket bat. Yes, thank you. Thank you.